He
Yes,
will not claim any
So,
benefit for
Lordship has
the
recorded that I'll only be treated as SC, my lord, both SC and general.
yes.
That may be
All
recorded.
facilities meant for a reserved category candidate will be available to you, which includes that if you prefer a general category seat, by virtue of your marks, you
Let
can
that
get
be
it.
recorded, my lord, since the contention of the commission, your lordship.
That is an absolute incorrect contention, and the court does not feel any requirement of dealing with each and every contention that is raised.
Great, your lordship.
Yes, please. Next.
Director appeal of the petitioner in this matter, your lordship has already considered this issue. It is regarding conversion from scheduled caste to general. That I applied as a scheduled caste candidate, but when it came as general. But your lordship has already considered this issue in Somnath Pramanik's matter.
Milord, I am appearing for the School Service Commission, Milord.
Yes.
Your lordship has considered and held that once it has been applied as scheduled caste, it cannot be converted to general.
Yes.
The lordship's observation, the relevant portion, madam, starting from paragraph 21 itself. Lordship has considered. Now I show to your lordship that I applied as an SC candidate. Lordship, kindly come to. First, my lord, I'm an untainted candidate. Kindly come to page 632 first.
30.
32. That I was previously I was appointed as a SC candidate itself. Kindly see, my lord, the vacancy.
Yes, vacancy category
That was
SC.
previously. That I'm showing that I all along I was SC. My SC certificate is also annexed at page number 29, my lord. That is my SC certificate. Now, my lord, kindly see, I applied as SC. That would be evident from page number 36.
Yes.
I paid 200 rupees also. That your lordship has also considered in this Somnath Pramanik's matter. And my lord, page 30 is my receipt, money receipt. Lordship has seen. Now, my lord, kindly see admit provisional admit card also page 39, though it is not mentioned, but based on my application, admit card was issued to me. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 40.
General.
Kindly see 518.
Hmm.
I was converted to general. Now, what I try to make out a case, my lord, as per Somnath Pramanik's case, I should be treated as general. Now, my lord, my verification is completed. Now, I'll be treated as, after the subsequent rounds, I'll be treated as SC candidate. Now, the issue is, the problem will arise at the time of counseling. Why? Because, my lord, I am entitled to get the benefit for general category also for securing higher marks on merit, as well as in the SC category. So, my lord, at the time of counseling, I may be given the benefit of both the categories treating me as an SC category candidate. That is my humble prayer, my lord, covered by your lordship's charter.
Commission.
My lord, in this matter, what has happened, my lord, he has already been come out successfully as a general category candidate. Earlier matter, it was not there. Now, secondly, in his form, he did not fill up that he is a scheduled caste. And kindly see, my lord, that application fees SC, ST, page rupees 200. 3 categories are there. He did not identify. So, my lord, our object is that thereafter option was given. My lord, our object was that not to cancel anybody's application form for this ground. He was allowed to sit in the general class, general category, and he is in the general category. Number 2, my lord, the judgment which has been delivered by your lordship, still it is in force. The point is, let's assume that he is converted in this scheduled caste category. Correct. If we take him as a scheduled caste category, he is an open now. General plus scheduled caste. For scheduled caste only 10, but in general 100 and plus 10. He can choose it. It is very early for him to say that he will not be selected. Nobody knows about that. Thirdly, my lord, I want to make one submission today to your lordship. Even if he is a scheduled caste and he has got the higher number, then he will come into the general category. That is the law. And if that is the law, he will come to the general category. Now he is trying to go back to the scheduled caste category. The whole purpose of reservation is for the benefits of the scheduled caste community itself, not for individual scheduled caste. If he has got the higher marks than the scheduled castes and coming under the general category, then he will be another one scheduled caste will get the chance there. If he chooses to remain in the scheduled caste, then another one scheduled caste will loses the chance. So what I am submitting today, your lordships, is this. Kindly keep the matter pending. Let us see his the results.
Result published. I have participated in it.
Result of the final interview. I am talking about final interview. Because he is qualified for the general category itself. It is not that he has not been qualified for the general category.
All right, please come.
My lord, may I have a specific response to this? First of all, with due respect to my esteemed learned senior friend, page 36, as it's stated, kindly hear me for once, only once. SC, ST, it was
The
the
petitioner
dialog box in which I had to apply. There was no specific provision.
participated in
one
the
rule.
2025 recruitment process for selection of assistant teachers
May I just make one submission, kindly?
conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. She disclosed herself to be a member of the reserved category and paid
It's
rupees 200, being the application fee meant for SC/ST and PH.
that is the only option given.
Stop. The petitioner has annexed the annexed documents in support of her candidature in the earlier recruitment process conducted by the Commission in the year 2016, wherein her reservation status as scheduled caste is clearly mentioned. Stop. The petitioner has been successful in the written examination and her name has been published in the preliminary interview list, but under the general category. Stop. She is aggrieved by the same. Stop. It has been submitted that she ought to be provided the benefit of reservation as she is a member of the scheduled caste community. Paragraph. Learned counsel representing the commission opposes the prayer of the petitioner. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner did not indicate the particular category of reservation. Stop. She submitted her application fee of 200 rupees, which is meant for the scheduled castes/scheduled tribes and the physically handicapped candidates. Stop. Several opportunities were granted by the commission to update and edit the category option of the candidate. Stop. The petitioner failed to avail the option. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the petitioner has got marks by which she may be upgraded to the status of a general category candidate. Stop. If she seeks reservation, then another scheduled category candidate will miss the opportunity of reservation. Stop. The benefit of reservation is to be extended to a community as a whole and not to a particular individual. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the commission to treat the petitioner as a general category candidate. Paragraph.
That is not my prayer.
whether a reserved category candidate who disclosed the reservation in the application form can be treated as a general category candidate for not updating or editing the option allowed to the candidates has been decided by the court in WPA 26937 of 2025. Decided by the court on 27th November 25 in WPA such and such Somnath Pramanik Amadir. Stop. The court was of the opinion that once the category of the candidate has been disclosed in the application form, the authority cannot suo motu change such category. Stop. By paying the fees meant for reserved category candidate, the authority cannot treat the said candidate to be a member of the general category for whom the application fee is higher than those of the reserved category. Stop. Paragraph. According to the Constitution, a candidate who is meant to be in a reserved category ought to receive all benefits of the said category. Stop. The candidate may, by her merit, his/her merit, be upgraded to the general category, but the same does not mean that she cannot avail the benefit of reservation. Stop. The reserved category, the community of the reserved category candidates consists of individual members. Stop. The community of reserved category cannot exist without the members of the reserved category. Stop. Since the petitioner has already declared herself to be a member of the scheduled caste category, she ought to be provided all benefit of reservation, including the benefit of counseling, which a reserved category candidate is liable to be provided. Step. Next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the Commission to treat the candidature of the petitioner as a reserved category candidate in the scheduled caste category. Writ petition.
One line can be, one line can be subject to this. But he will not claim any benefit for the general category.
No, I am entitled for.
No. He will not claim any benefit for
the. She was recorded that I'll only be treated as SC, my lord, both SC and general.
Yes.
That may be recorded.
All facilities meant for a reserved category candidate will be available to you, which includes that if you prefer a general category seat, by virtue of your marks, you can get it.
Be recorded, my lord, since the contention of the commission, your lordship.
That is an absolute incorrect contention, and the court does not feel any requirement of dealing with each and every contention that is raised.
Great, your lordship.
Yes, please. Next.